Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add cash on delivery on WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need just to go to the WooCommerce settings, and by clicking on WooCommerce, we need to go to settings, and after that, we need to go to payments. So from here, we will find many method of payments, and we need just to go down. And as you can see, we can find your cash on delivery. So you will need to uh, enable the cash on delivery, and then you will need just to click on finish setup so you can set up your cash on delivery method. So from here, we already enabled the cash on delivery. Now you can give it a title, instruction, and that stuff. So here you will need just to enable for shipping methods, and as you can see you can find many rates. There is the any local pickup method or some ship rocket app configuration or the printify shipping method if you would like or anything. So let's just go for any flat rate method, and I'm going to accept for virtual orders in case of tests, etc. So I'm just going to click on save changes, and by that you have your cash on delivery that has been set up in your payments. So now if we go to payments, we can see that we have already the cash on delivery that has been set up, and now you can start managing to change anything that you would like in your cash on delivery. And basically you can go to your store and start having orders by cash on delivery. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.